I am Naveen sir, your maths teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today we are going to discussing about the simple equations. It is a extension topic of algebra expressions. Simple equations. This topic is an extension of algebra expressions. First we learn about I am recalling the terms variable. A variable is nothing but unknown value. A variable is nothing but it's take a different value. Its value is not fixed. Variable takes a different value. Its value is not fixed. So we may use these letters A, B, C, so on, Z. These letters will use to represent the variables. To represent the variables, we will use these letters A, B, C, so on, Z. These letters will represent to use the variables. Next, constant. A constant is nothing but fixed value. Constant, it never change. So to represent the constant, we will use numbers. We will use numbers 0 to 9. So variable is takes different value. We will use A, B, C, D letters to represent variable. Here constant. Constant is nothing but it never change the value. Its value is fixed. The numbers take value is a fixed value that we will use 0 to 9 numbers to represent constant. Next, term. Term is nothing but a variable or constant or the product of variable and constant is called a term. Say variable or number or the product of variable and constant. So 2 into x, nothing but 2x. So this is also called as a term. This is also called as a term, and the product of variable and constant is also called as a term. So the term is nothing but a variable or a constant, or the product of variable and constant is also called as a term. Now next, expression. Expression. An expression. So expression is nothing but an expression is the variable constant. Variable and constant. Nothing but here. For example, x plus 2, x minus 2, or x or 2. So expression is nothing but an expression consists of single variable. An expression consists of single variable or combination of variable and constant connecting by plus and minus. Connecting by plus and minus is called expressions. Is called expressions. Nothing but here 2x I'm writing is also expression. X minus 2 is also expression. X plus 2 is also expression. So expression is nothing but an expression is a single term or connecting by the terms are connecting by plus the symbols plus and minus are also called as an expressions. So here one note. Here one note. So the terms are connected by the combination of terms are the symbols plus and minus. But another two operations are what in multiplication and division. So the plus and minus they can separate the terms, but multiplication division cannot separate the terms. They will treat as a single terms. For example, 2x and 3y take two different terms. So multiply these two terms. 2x into 3y. Nothing but 2 3s are 6. X into y, xy. So 6xy is nothing but what? Single term. Single term. Now division 2x and 3y. Nothing but 2x is divided by 3y. Then 2x dividing nothing but by 3y. So 2x by 3y is also single term. Then only addition and subtraction will be separate the terms, but multiplication division cannot separate the terms. They will treat as a single terms. We will write as a single terms. So by using addition subtraction, we will write as a monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial, polynomial also we can write. But now equation. An equation consists two expressions connecting by equal sign is called equation. So equation consists of how many expressions? Two expressions. Nothing but 2x 3. So these two expressions are connecting by equal sign. Then this is called as an equation. So equation is nothing but an equation consists of two expressions. The two expressions are connecting by equal sign. When we are connecting the two expressions by equal sign, then it is called as an equation. So the equation has two parts. So it has two parts. It has two parts. One is LHS, nothing but left hand side, and another one is RHS, nothing but right hand side. So here the equation has two parts, that is LHS, nothing but left hand side, RHS, nothing but right hand side. So for example, 2x is equals to 5. I written this equation I written. So look at this equal. For equal symbol, look at this. This side is what is in my? This is right hand. With the right hand I am writing. Yes or not? Right. Then so it is called as a RHS. So it is a right hand side. Next, look at here. Equal symbol. This side. This side is what? This is my left hand. Then 2x is what? LHS. So 2x is LHS part, 5 is RHS part of the given equation. Now next, simple equation. Simple equation. So an equation consists of one variable with degree 1. Then the equation is called as a simple equation. So I am writing 3y plus 4 is equals to 5. This is the equation. How many variables this equation consists? Only one variable. Only one variable. Then degree of the equation is how much? 1. Then this type of equations are called simple equation. A simple equation is nothing but an equation consists of only one variable. Let us take one more example for simple equations. 2z plus 6 is equals to 8. So this equation consists of one variable with degree 1. Then this type of such type of equations are called simple equations. Now, in transforming the terms from LHS to RHS, we should follow these changes. So here, in transforming the terms from LHS to RHS, in transforming the terms from LHS to RHS, we should follow these changes. So what are the changes? See, the plus quantity, the quantity of plus is becomes minus quantity. The plus quantity is become as a minus quantity. Next, the minus quantity is becomes as a plus quantity. The minus quantity is become as a plus quantity. The plus quantity become as a minus quantity. Reverse. Next, multiplication quantity. The multiplication quantity becomes division quantity. Quantity becomes as a division. Next, the division quantity becomes as a multiplication quantity. So here the changes are when the terms are transforming from LHS to RHS, plus quantity becomes as a minus quantity becomes as a plus quantity. So there is a relation between minus and plus. Plus become as a minus will become as a plus. Now multiplication become as a division become as a multiplication. So relation between division and multiplication. So here multiplication, division to multiplication. Yes. So now we have three different types to solve these simple equations. So three types are there to solve the simple equations. To solve the simple equations, that is first one, trial and error method. First one is what? Trial and error method. Second one, with transposing method. And the third one is without transposing method. Without transposing method. So this third one, it has another name. Without transposing method or weighing balance method. Weighing balance method. So to solve the simple equations, we have three types. We have three different types are there. First one is a trial and error method. Second one with transposing method. Third one without transposing method. So without transposing method are also called as a weighing balance method. So we have to balance the equation. By using balancing the equation, we have to solve this simple equation. Children, this is a worksheet, nothing but homework problems. First one, define simple equation. You should write the definition of simple equation. Now second one, write LHS and RHS of the simple equation is 8p plus 4 is equals to 5. So you should write the which is LHS and which is RHS. Now third one, define expression. You should write the definition of expression. Now fourth one, write 3 different types of expressions. So you should write the different types of expressions. Thank you.